welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a after video on my 1996 Numatic nvq250. So here's the machine. It's in quite a rare blue colour. You normally see these in red and red only. This is actually the only blue one of these I've seen with the Numatic logo. They normally have a cleaning company logo or no logo at all on them. Being an nvq250, this one does not have the blower port on the back, it just has the vent, which I don't mind actually. It's a bit different. So, but yeah, it's in quite a good condition. There's a little tiny bit of paint underneath here on the front wheel that's flaked off, but that's about it. It's mainly dented, so you know, the handle's quite scratched as well, and top's been dented in because it's all dented around here, but it still works really well, and I've been using it as a daily driver for the last 2 weeks, so you know, I'm quite happy with it. Here's the underneath. It's a little bit more rust and stuff under here, of course, where it's been slapped down, probably after the bags changed and stuff. It's got no diffuser in there. I took it out, it just all perished in my hand, so it got sucked up the hoover. But it's still got all the insulation in there, and that's what makes it really quiet. It's probably one of the most quietest vacuum cleaners in my collection, this one. Got the filter, which is not the best filter in the world. It's not dirty at all really, it's just stained and stuff, but it's been in the washing machine. And then inside here I had no bags, except, well, I had a original paper bag in this, but I took it out and put this in here because I'm using it daily and I had no bags at the time. So this is just one of them reusable jobbies, and it is quite full actually. It's good. You can see it there. It's quite full there. A lot of fluff and stuff in there. I've cleaned the DC40 out of this a few times, so it's got quite a bit of muck in that. Inside the bucket, it's not in the best shape, but you know, what can you do? It's 20 years old, this thing. So let's just put this this bag back in without spewing dust everywhere. That's it. That goes in there, like that. And then the filter goes in there. It doesn't push down as much as I'd like it to, but it does still make the top go on all right. And that goes on there like that. The cable is alright. I mean, it's not like I'd like it to be. It's all gone crinkly at one end, just like the other NV250 I've got, the 89 one. I've got about 4 NV250s now actually, but just like the 89 one, it's gone crinkly at that end. So let's go and just plug this in quickly. And it runs pretty smooth. It runs pretty smooth because it didn't have the original motor in it. Now that's one thing I forgot about it. It's got the original type of motor, but it's not the original motor. The original motor, the fan blades had kind of cracked and stuff, and there was all falling to bits. But the motor works fine. It just needs the fan blades renewing and stuff on it, and it will be really good. So of course this machine is just come with a standard like Henry kit. So that would be the 2.4 or 2 metre hose, whatever they would have had back then. But this is a 90s hose, which came with basil, which actually goes with this quite well. But yeah, it's got a standard short cuff, and of course it's got the normal 90 style 300mm combination floor tool with the brushes that come down, and then of course the 2 straight ones and the bent end. So you know, just standard pneumatic stuff really. Nothing special apart from the colour of this one. But yeah, I'm quite happy I got this one off Adam because I quite like using it. I don't actually use it with this kit. The only bits I use it with, which are here, is these tubes. I use it with a 3 metre hose and an old 90s turbo tool. But you know, let's turn it on and we'll give it a quick go. Yeah, this one runs quite nicely. Hopefully we'll get the original motor sorted. I just need a new fan blade for it, which I could possibly get. I know a few people that I might be able to get a new fan off for one of these. But the motor, I mean, I literally just took it apart to clean it out because it was all full of fluff and everything. But yeah, I'll try and insert a picture of that. But yeah, it was all full of fluff and it was just really manky, so I just chucked this spare motor I had in it out of a machine I've got, which I just use for parts. And yeah, happy days. So there we go. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.